There's another one. Not very smart for staying in the path. He's so cute. Look at his little butt. There you go. Go in the bush. Go in there where you're safe. Fudge. You didn't even do your job.
Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're an awkward girly like me, then hello. I like to try and post on a consistent basis and then not do it. And then I try and do it again and again. Like I'm doing right now. I'm hanging out in the garage. Husbando is streaming. He's doing an ambient World of Warcraft stream. He's on the Alliance, so I feel like he's cheating a bit. But, yeah, so we're watching him over here. So I figured it would be a good excuse for me to go to the garage and try and get my head back in the art game, which I think is a good time because I don't have a market for another week and a half, and that's a good time for me to get stuff done. I do have 2 pet portrait commissions that I need to do by June 6th, which is my next in-person market. And yeah, I would like to get some stuff made. I just need to figure out what I'm going to do. I know I need bookmarks. I definitely need bookmarks. I have 4 or 5 left. That's not a lot at all. I just feel like I also need a revamp, like my brand. I want it to be more whimsical fantasy stuff, you know, things that I draw. I like to draw dragons and paint dragons. I like to do plants and mushrooms, and I did this new fairy. Oh, where's the camera? I got this lady, this plant fairy. She's made out of plants, out of vines. See, I like this look. I love the ornate frames. It's the vibe I want to go for, and I feel like I need to just do something with it. Like I want my table set up to look more like that. I actually got, let me show you. Okay. It's a bit messy right now. I got these table runners. It's supposed to look like moss. And I think I did get these faux grass squares, and I put them at my table at the last market, and I liked the look of it, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted. I wanted more. I think a runner was a better choice than buying a bunch of squares. I'm still going to use the squares, but I definitely want to use these runners. But because they're kind of messy, I'm going to, maybe not tomorrow, because I have a meeting to get ready for tomorrow and other stuff. Maybe tomorrow. This week, before the next market. This week or next week. I think I'm going to get, I have Mod Podge somewhere. I'm going to put it in a little spray bottle because I have a couple little empty spray bottles. And I'm going to spray the Mod Podge on these to help keep it from getting messy. We're gonna check out this guy. I have a trip. We're gonna go for 8 days, and I got a little travel paint kit, and I think it would be fun to do some paint swatches and see what it is, and see maybe if I should add a couple things or whatever. Right now I'm gonna eat my In-N-Out. It's already cold, so. So I bought this travel watercolor set since we're gonna go on a trip for 8 days, and I wanted a little travel painting thing, and I didn't want a super tiny one like you see on Pinterest. I wanted something like a decent size, I guess. It's really cute. I like... Oh, nice. Oh, that's a lot of colors. It's actually really cute. I'm assuming there's a paint swatch paper. It kind of looked like there was one. 10 sheets. I can pull one out. Yeah. Okay. That's a lot of colors. See, I liked this, and I haven't used this before. I was assuming there was going to be a little swatch thing. There's not a swatch paper, so that kind of sucks. But I mean, I guess we could just make our own. No. Okay, so I'm probably gonna tweak it for myself. Trying to think of what I can do. I could probably divide this up, put a little clippy with a magnet on it, and then I can just paint in here, because this is what I was thinking about doing. So, it's such a tiny little painting. I think that works. We'll see if this sponge is necessary. Should I take this out? It comes out, okay. I am super sad about the no swatch paper. Okay. So these are the colors. And I'm just gonna do it in the order. It's not... See, but do you use this to clean off your brush? Or do I need I probably need a little paper towel. Okay, well I feel like this is gonna be a pain in the butt for just doing swatches. Okay, so I got my punas. This. Okay.
Okay, so this is what we're working with. I am kind of sad that there's no swatch paper, but I really like the metallic. I like all the colors. There's so many colors. This is my favorite color right here. These look great. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I might get some thinner washi tape, but so far this is what we got. If you have any suggestions, ideas, I'm sure I'm going to look on Pinterest for travel art sets. It's 8 days and I'm gonna want to draw and paint, and I think this will just be fun. It's a relaxing time, and even being on the plane, it'd be nice. It's gonna be a long plane ride, so I'm hoping the kids are gonna sleep a good amount of the plane ride, and if they do, I might be able to paint. I don't know. Poolside on the plane. If I'm able to, I want to be able to paint or draw. Drawing's going to be the easiest, and I'm definitely going to bring this. So, I don't know if maybe I need like I don't know, something. I'm going to work on this. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. My husband keeps saying that when I talk on the phone, or not the phone, when I do phone calls, but when I do videos, he says that I sound too much like my phone voice, and I have a professionalish phone. I'm like, hi, my name is Jessica. How are you today? How may I help you? And he says that I need to talk more like myself on camera, but I feel like myself on camera is just a dork, because this is all I'll do. I feel like, do you see any boogers? No? Okay, great. I think it's a bad idea, because I'm just going to watch myself while I'm editing and just be like, she's so stupid. It's also bedtime, so I also get a little loopy when it's time for bed. I'm more of a morning person. I think it doesn't matter the time of day. I can be a complete dingus. So if you enjoy watching dinguses, maybe think about subscribing, you know? Just a thought. It's there. Okay, it's nighttime. I gotta go sleep. Bye! I wasted half of a Dr. Pepper. Now it has to go in the fridge.